Okay, so this is our new video. I don't care. So we're gonna watch my dogs eat peanut butter and my brother crunch on a celery. So I'm gonna kind of just put this right here.
Am I going first?
Yeah, you're good. No, you have to walk closer. Closer. Okay, a little farther back. Stop. No, that's too close. They're too far. There. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Go. No, you gotta come here and do that for us. Do it. You're drooling. Oh my god. Okay, enough of you trying to like choke yourself. We're gonna have Chester here. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Okay. Chester, we got way more peanut butter. Okay, get over here. I'm gonna put some on his nose. Want some more? Tastes good, doesn't it? Getting it all over your face. I swear he's got like the longest tongue in the world.
He's playing it. You could actually wrap that around the spoon.
Okay, you're done. Here, you know what? You can have the spoon. Holy jeez. Am I? Do you have peanut butter here too?
Okay.
Just give me a minute. Gonna get another little thing of peanut butter.
And I finished crunching on my celery.
You got a celery. Hey, you're staring from the camera.
Sorry. Whoop. Oops. My bad.
You are a jerk to all the YouTubers out there. I'm allergic to peanut butter, by the way, so that's why we're outside. Okay. There. We go. You already had your share, doofus.
Molly loves it the most.
Here, we'll put some on her nose.
Wow.
You want to take some more? Move.
I love this.
She's camera shy, by the way, so.
Yeah, we got lucky with the peanut butter, and she loves it. Chester, not so much.
Chester loves it. What are you talking about?
No, Chester's not camera shy.
No, Chester's not camera shy whatsoever. Okay, you know what? Enough of that. Some real action.
With the longest tongue ever. Put some on his nose again. Your mom's gonna wonder why you got peanut butter on them. Well, how they got peanut butter.
I'm gonna wash it off.
I'll get the pail already. I mean, the weird little thing.
No, I'm gonna get a paper towel. Showing me his crack. We don't need the hose. I'm just gonna use the paper towel. Okay. That is our episode of my brother crunching on celery and my dog's eating peanut butter. Good night.